Hey everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Maguro Zuke soy sauce marinated fresh tuna on top of rice. If you don't have tuna, you can use salmon, scallop, any kind of fresh fish is okay. It's quick and easy, really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. If you get a package of sashimi, it usually comes with condiment and wasabi. In a small pot, boil down sake and mirin to reduce the alcohol content. And leave to cool. Add soy sauce and wasabi, then mix well. By the way, wasabi will be not spicy if you mix and leave for a while, so kids can eat it with only nice wasabi aroma. Marinate tuna sashimi and put in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Do not marinate too long or tuna will be salty. Meanwhile, put rice in a rice bowl and leave to cool. Cold fresh rice is better because it won't warm up the fish. Put Kizaminori on the rice. Place marinated tuna sashimi. Garnish with green onions or shiso leaves if you have, and sprinkle with toasted white sesame seeds. You can place another bit of fresh wasabi on top if you like. And now it's done, simple yet delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu. ご飯のおかわりもある？
あるよ。
チャンネル登録お願いします。ケツオさん押してね。バイバイ。最後はじゃんけんパン。最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい。最後と一応切れた。また今度これ食べるかも。
いただきます。おいしい。
めっちゃ美味しいよね。
やっぱりすぐ作ってすぐ食べた方がいいね。
皆様もぜひ作ってみてください。100人になって
そうだね。100万人ね。Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.
美味しすぎてまだ食べてる。
美味しそう。